Good morning children. How are you all? I think all are fine. How do you do? All of you had breakfast? Yeah. Do you like it online classes? All of you enjoying? Okay. Then what all things you have learned in previous class? Input devices? Do you remember it? Okay, now let's start our first chapter, computer system. All of you ready? Okay, computer system, then processing device. Today is our topic, processing device. All of you know about processing device. In lower classes you study processing devices. See, CPU is the processing device. CPU is the processing device. CPU is the processing device. CPU means central processing device. CPU, central processing unit. CPU full form, central processing unit. CPU is the brain of the computer. All functions are done on CPU. All functions are done on the CPU. It processes data and instruction given by us. It also contains all input output devices. CPU is the processing device. CPU full form, central processing unit. CPU also called the brain of the computer. It processes data and instruction given by us. It also contains all input output devices. These are the processing devices. CPU is the main processing devices. Next, output devices. Used to display, print or show the result of processing done of the CPU, normally result display on the screen. Used to display, print or show the result of processing done of the CPU, normally result display on the screen. Main output device. What are the main output devices? Monitor and printer are the main output devices. Then output devices, see, this is the monitor. Monitor to display the result on the form of text, pictures or videos. It also called visual display unit. The output we get on the monitor. Monitor to display the result on the form of text, pictures or videos. It is also called visual display unit. The output we get on the monitor. Next, printer. We use a printer to get the output text picture on a paper is called printed or hard copy. We get output from printed copy or hard copy. We use printer to get the output text picture on a paper is called printed or hard copy. Printer again divided into three: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Printer are divided into three types: dot matrix printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. Next, dot matrix printer. If you see this, this is a dot matrix printer. It can print only a few pages in a minute. Can print only a few pages in a minute. Is cheap but noisy. Is cheap but noisy. Next, inkjet printer. Can print up to 40 pages in a minute. Is more expensive than dot matrix printer. What is the difference between dot matrix printer and inkjet printer? Is more expensive than dot matrix printer. Next, laser printer can up to 100 pages in a minute. Is more expensive than dot matrix printer and inkjet printer. Printing can be black and white or color. See, this is a laser printer. Next, plotters. Two most commonly used plotters: drum plotter, flat plotter. Two most commonly used plotters, drum plotter, flatbed plotter. Drum plotter. We use a plotter to print large drawing such as map, banner and poster. We use plotter to print large drawings such as map, banner and poster. It is used mainly engineers, architects and scientists. It is used mainly for engineers, architects and scientists. Next plotter, flatbed plotter. It consists of rectangular flatbed table. They are used to print design of car, ship, building, etc. They are used to print design of car, ship, building, etc. Next, projector. All of you know projector. What is a projector? To display the images and videos on a screen. To display the images and videos on a screen, the screen could be a whiteboard or even a wall. It is used for school, colleges and also offices. See, this is a projector. Schools we are using for projector. See this projector. Next, speaker and headphone. To listen output in the form of sound. To listen output in the form of sound. All of you understood? What are the things study about today? Processing device, CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. Then CPU is a central processing unit. Next, printer. There are three types of printers: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. Dot matrix printer, it can print only few pages in a minute, is cheap but noisy. Then inkjet printer, print up to 40 pages in a minute, is more expensive than dot matrix printer. Then can print up to 40 pages in a minute, is more expensive than dot matrix printer. Inkjet printer, the laser printer can up to 100 pages in a minute, more expensive than dot matrix and inkjet printer. Then plotters, plotters are two types: drum plotter, flatbed plotter. Drum plotters used for drawing, large drawings such as map, banners and poster. Flatbed plotters consist of rectangular flatbed table. Projector, to display the images and videos on a screen. The screen could be a white or even a wall. Then speaker, to listen output in the form of sound. I think all of you have understood the lesson. Okay, now let's move the worksheet section. Right, you have to write different type of output devices. One more question. What are the different types of printers? What are the different types of printers? Thank you. Have a nice day.